gentlemen, my name is Brian Norris, the operations coordinator and narrator for Team Oracle, featuring the man who, for the past 20 years, has been considered to be the solo aerobatic performer in North America today, making his second consecutive appearance over the skies of Chino, coming down from Salinas, California. Please welcome back to the stage, today, including this, a forward flip in the Oracle Challenger III. Now in the inverted recovery, Sean returns back to Airshow Center. Slowly rolling to upright, Sean now begins the hui-hoo. This is an inside-outside loop with a tumble at the top. The first half is inside, or what positive G's. The second half is outside. Over 6 negative G's, in fact, trying to throw on out of the cockpit at the bottom end of that last maneuver. Now in the turnaround, Sean returns to Airshow Center to show you the maneuver which he calls the double hammerhead. Pull the vertical, rolling the aircraft in one direction, now the shoulder roll in the opposite. Once he sees 0 forward airspeed, hard, full left rudder, as Sean completes not one, but 2 consecutive hammerhead. Another inverted recovery brings Sean to within 30 feet of the ground, inverted, as he makes his way away from the crowd. Another forward flip, and Sean now returns back down to Airshow right. This, in fact, is our very first public performance of the 2013 Airshow season. We will fly from now until the beginning of November all across North America. And right now, to tell you more about what he's doing up in the cockpit, let's go live to Shawnee Tucker. Are you with us? Ladies and gentlemen, what do you think so far of Shawnee Tucker and the one-of-a-kind Oracle Challenger III? Well, at this time, I would like to recommend that you get on your feet and get your cameras ready. Direct your attention to the runway in front of you, and you will notice that there are 3 sets of poles out there, suspended between each set. They are spaced 700 feet apart. Sean starts with wheels only 5 feet above the ground as he goes underneath that first ribbon. Now, as Sean pulls his way around, trying to find underneath that third and final ribbon. One more time, starting with wheels less than 5 feet above the ground. Now as Sean draws this line to the left, watch him slow the aircraft down, and now perform for you the world's smallest incline. We call this that he has made the determination that the show line is obstruction-free and that he is now ready to make an attempt at slicing all 3 of those ribbons in one single pass in 3 separate flight attitudes. Right now, converting altitude back into airspeed, 18 feet above the ground, 210 miles an hour, right knife-edge flight. Final ribbon. A maneuver performed by no one else in the world today. That is Sean D. Tucker's triple ribbon cut. Only Oracle offers hardware and software together. Complete and integrated systems from Oracle simplify enterprise IT performance. Oracle, hardware and software engineered to work together. Sean, one more time in the turnaround. As I was starting to describe earlier, our air show season starts today and it will conclude towards the beginning of November. In that time, Sean will perform at approximately events all across North America. By the time we bring this aircraft home to our base in Salinas, California, he will have been seen by anywhere from 4 to 6 million people. He will have made over 750 flights in this aircraft. The aircraft will have accumulated 320 total hours of flight time this year alone, and it will have traveled more than 25,000 miles from show to show. At that time, this aircraft will be completely rebuilt and ready for the 2014 air show season. And now, get your cameras ready because Sean is about to turn inbound for his low-altitude, low-speed photo pass. Again, live to the cockpit. Sean, you're on. Ladies and gentlemen, what do you think of Sean D. and the Oracle Challenger III? Right now, Sean is going to roll his way center this afternoon sequence. This is called the Harrier Path. It is named in honor of the awesome power and capabilities demonstrated by the United States Marine. Aerobatic Championship trophy. In addition, Sean is the first performer to ever win both the Bill Barber Award for Air Show Showmanship and the Art Scholl Memorial Showmanship Award in the same year. A few short years ago, Sean was inducted into the San Diego Aerospace Museum Hall of Fame that year along with the Blue Angels. And in 2008, at the birthplace of aviation, Sean received his highest honor to date. That is membership in the National Aviation Hall of Fame. Sharing the stage that night was Mr. Bud Anderson. And Sean is inducted into a membership roster that includes the Wright brothers, Charles Lindbergh, Jimmy Doolittle, and every other significant aviator in the United States. Ladies and gentlemen, Sean is now back on the ground. I'd like to invite you to look us up online at teamoracle.com, and also please pay a visit to Sean's Facebook fan page. Just keep in mind, he spells the first name S-E-A-N. So that is facebook.com/Sean D. Tucker. My name is Brian Norris. Thanks so much for having us out. Sean's going to bring us around back down to the air show center. Let's get him up out of the cockpit. And we'd also like to thank all of our fine guests that we have over in the Team Oracle Chalet. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks so much for having you. We will see you tomorrow. Thank you very much, Brian. Gentlemen, as the propeller comes to a stop, let's get him up and out of the cockpit. Sean D. Tucker and the Oracle Challenger III.